Welcome to another SimplyDiag video down here in Brighton, sunny Cheshire at SimplyDiag.net Community Hub. It's not bright, it's not sunny. I've got my DPF Doctor DCL coat on. It's absolutely Baltic. Yeah, where they're getting this 9 degrees from, I don't know. Anyway, 2011 Vauxhall Meriva, white with 4 wheels. It's coming from another workshop. Customer complaint is the ABS lights on, traction lights on, engine management lights on, all the lights are on. It's like Blackpool seafront. So it's hard, a wheel bearing, 2 ABS sensors, and it's coming to me. They asked me to check for a wiring fault. Obviously we go through our process, everything's evidence based, so we're having a look at live data, stuff like that, fault codes that are in there. Went over to DDTSB and had a look for bulletins. On DDTSB there was a bulletin for check the ABS computer connector because the coolant bottle's cracked, and when the coolant leaks out the coolant bottle it goes straight into the connector. So guess what, didn't need a bearing, didn't need sensors, there's no wiring fault, it's just too much cooling in the brake system. So there you go. Thanks for watching, hope you found this interesting. Check out DDTSB, available in the UK from our awesome community partners, Diagnostic Connections and DC Tuning. Thanks for watching, you're awesome.